Frisco is a hot spot, but there are some things that you may not like if you're living in Frisco, Texas. In this video, I'm going to share the pros and the not so glamorous cons of living in Frisco. The first pro about Frisco, Texas is the strong economy. And this is because there is a very low unemployment rate and a high household median income. The second pro about Frisco, Texas is that it is so welcoming to families. I mean, there are parks, there's a recreation center, you have all the amenities. You'll even see little families with littles playing at the Star on the field, throwing footballs back and forth. The third pro about Frisco, Texas are all the amenities and entertainment. We're here right in the middle of the Star. The Star is the Dallas Cowboys headquarters, and inside there's a football field where they get to practice, there's a gym, and interesting fact are the high schools get to use these facilities. The fourth pro about living in Frisco, Texas are all the parks and recreation. There are over 90 parks here in Frisco. Number 5, Frisco has great schools. Before I get to the cons, I just want to let you know that my name is Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in Dallas-Fort Worth, and we have a team that can help you find the best home for your family. So if you're looking at buying or selling a home in Texas, click the link below and we'd be happy to be your team of choice. The number one con of living in Frisco, Texas is the increasing cost of living. Home prices are continuing to go up. I know that we were at a peak, right? May 2022, then they went down. We are summer of 2023 and they're going back up again. The second con to living in Frisco is some of the traffic gets quite congested at times, especially like today. We came out at noon on a Friday and there must be some sort of conference going on because the garage is packed, people are everywhere, and it's quite busy. The third con of living in Frisco is that things are getting so crowded. During the peak times, because of the popularity of Frisco, it gets quite busy. And if there's conferences going on, you better believe it's crowded. The fourth con of Frisco, Texas, I actually sourced this from an insurance agent. She said that the insurance policies are a little more expensive in Frisco, Texas because apparently there are more hailstorms that hit the roofs here. So if you're interested in moving to Frisco, Texas or anywhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, you can call us, you can email us, or you can fill out the questionnaire in the link below.